Today, we're going to dive into 7 faceless YouTube niches that you can use to make money on YouTube. These are niches that don't require you to show your face on camera, making them perfect for those who are camera shy or just prefer to remain anonymous. Before we get started, let's talk about some tools you'll need to create these videos. First up is Canva. This is a free graphic design tool you can use to create professional looking thumbnails for your video. Simply upload a photo, add some text, and voila! You've got a thumbnail that will make your video stand out. Next up is your phone. You can use your phone to record voiceovers for your videos. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your videos without having to show your face. Just find a quiet spot to record and you're good to go. Finally, we have Pexel.com. This is a website that offers free stock photos and footage that you can use in your videos. It's a great resource for those who don't have access to a lot of high quality photos or footage. Now let's dive into the top 7 faceless niches. Number 1, product reviews. This niche is where you can review products without showing your face. Simply use stock footage of the product and record a voiceover of your review. Number 2, how-to tutorials. Create tutorials on anything from cooking to do-it-yourself projects. Use stock footage or images to show step-by-step instructions and record a voiceover to guide viewers through the process. Number 3, top 10 list. This is a popular niche on YouTube. Create lists of anything from the top 10 movies to the top 10 travel destinations. Use stock footage and images to showcase your picks and record a voiceover to explain why you chose them. Number 4, unboxing videos. Similar to product review, unboxing videos show the viewers the process of unboxing a product. Use stock footage of the product being unboxed and record a voiceover to give your thoughts on the product. Number 5, gaming videos. If you're a gamer, you can create videos of your gameplay without showing your face. Use a screen recording software to capture the gameplay and record a voiceover to explain what you're doing. Number 6, animated videos. This is a great niche for those who love animation. Create animated videos of anything from educational topics to entertainment. Use animation software to create your videos and record a voiceover to add a personal touch. And last but not least, number 7. Number 7 is ASMR videos. These are videos that create a soothing and relaxing sensation for the viewers. Use stock footage or images to create a calm scene and record a voiceover to add sound effects like whispering or tapping. And there you have it, the top 7 faceless YouTube niches that you can use to make money on YouTube. With a little bit of creativity and some handy tools, you can create videos that engage viewers and generate income without ever showing your face. Thanks for watching.